Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about the acid group of remedies. Before we begin, if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin with the introduction to the acid group of remedies. An acid may be defined as the substance that can provide H plus ion, that is proton donor, or any substance that liberates the hydrogen ion in a solution is a hydrogen ion donor. The Latin name of the acid is the aceous, which means sour. The source of acid group of remedies are most of the acid are derived from the mineral kingdoms. For example, phosphoric acid and a few acids are from vegetable kingdom. For example, the lactic acid. Production of acid in the human body. The metabolism of the body is accompanied by an overall production of the acid. This include the volatile acids like the carbonic acids or non-volatile acids such as lactic acid, sulfuric acid and phosphoric acid. All acids add up H plus ion in the blood. A diet rich in animal protein results in more acid production in the body and which is ultimately excreted in the urine, which is profoundly acidic urine. Physical and chemical properties of acids. The most of acids are colorless, the light colored, and generally they are mixable with the water. Numbers of acids are odorless, but same of this theme are having their own peculiar odor. Numbers of acids are odorless, but some of them are having their own peculiar odor. Acid evaporates when heated. The strength, that is concentration or the percentage of each, differs from 60 to 98%. All acids are corrosive in nature. All acids are sour to taste. Acids combine very easily with other elements to form compound. Acids are used as the protein precipitating agent. Uses of acids are as a fertilizer manufacturing, chemical synthesis, wastewater processing, oil refining, manufacturing of explosive, in the antibacterials. Then acids are dehydrating agents, so used in the preparation of many dry fruits. Then classification of acids. Acids are classified into two, which is organic and inorganic acids. Organic acids are which can also be called as a weak acid. They are slow progressive and produce deep pathology. Inorganic acids, which can also be called as the strong acids and mineral acids, they are rapid, acute, and produce deep pathology. Important remedies of the acid groups are from inorganic acids, which is mineral acids, are boric acid, chromic acid, fluoric acid, hydrocyanic acid, muriatic acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, and phosphoric acid. From the organic acids, acetic acid, acetyl acetic acid, which is aspirin, benzoic acid, carbolic acid, that is phenol, cinnamic acid, citric acid, formic acid, lactic acid, oxalic acid, phthalic acid, picric acid, salicylic acid, succinic acid, sulfonic acid, uric acid, and tartaric acids. Characteristics symptoms of acid groups. First is ailments from. Ailments from are surgical shock, grief, loss of sleep, mortification, debauchery, injury, bad effects of bites and stings after anesthesia, abuse of narcotics, occupational hazards, loss of vital fluids, physical and mental exertion, infection, bacterial or viral. Now let's see the constitution of acid group of remedies. It belongs to person which are thin, weak, broken down constitution. They have very fine hair loss and baldness, pale and anemic look, debility and prostration with stooped shoulder and premature old look. Thermal relationship is acids are very chilly. They are easily affected by cold in general, except the fluoric acid and the picric acid. Fluoric acid is towards hot and picric acid is hot. Diatheses are hemorrhagic diathesis. Acids are hemorrhagic tendency and bleeding disorders, destruction of blood, black brown non coagulable blood. Inorganic acids or mineral acids are active bleeding, for example, epistaxis, hematemesis, melena, hematuria, menorrhagia, injury after petechial bleeding, and in the organic acids there is a passive bleeding like slow oozing of blood in ulcer, scorbutic gums, etc. Miasmatic background of acid remedies are: inorganic acid covers all the miasm but more dominant is syphilitic, and organic acids are predominantly has a psychotic and tubercular miasm. Acids cover all the three miasm, but the predominantly they are syphilitic in general. Sphere of action is: inorganic acids have an action at the level of skin, mucous membranes, blood, and blood vessels. Organic acids have action on muscles, tendons, connective tissue, endocrine organs, soft tissues, sexual organs, etc. Inorganic acids are more depacting than the organic acids. Pathophysiological action of acids are: the acids as a class they decrease the acidic secretion from the body and increase the alkaline. For example, the citric acid is taken in stomach, it will diminish the secretion of gastric juice, but on other hand it will increase the secretion of saliva. In the gastrointestinal tract, the hydrochloric acid helps in process of digestion of food. Here the acid peptic balance is maintained so there is no formation of ulceration in the mucous membrane. The common characteristic of the acid is exhaustion. Physiologically, exhaustion is accompanied by an acid imbalance, irritant, cathartic action, and inflammation, infection with severe pain due to the ulceration and painless condition, that is the gangrene. Toxemia, septicemia, ulceration, and malignancy. Allergic hypovolemic shock, anemia, leukemia, hemolytic jaundice, metabolic acidosis. Slow progressive metabolic diseases, burning, bleeding, cracks, and fissure, fistula, fever of all the types. Characteristic mind symptoms are exhaustion. Most common and well known characteristic of acid is the exhaustion. For example, the thallic acid. Hurriedness is another symptom that is often accompanied by tiredness or exhaustion. Irritability leads to vindictiveness and hatred. Extroverts, they are extroverts and talk easily and openly. Perfectionist, they have the tendency to be perfectionist. Aggression, There is an aggressive side in acids which is expressed physically in violent biting, eating, itching character of complaint, as in aphtha, ulcer, or fissure, etc. Unification, they has desire to become one with everyone and everything. Perceiving power is destroyed even then understanding and interpretation are wrong. Weary of life and despair of recovery, malicious, jealous, suspicious, loquacious are the key symptoms. Weak memory, there is a great weakness at the mental level. Their memory is weak and they are lacking in self confidence and have the destruction of all thinking power. Forgetfulness, absent mindedness, confusion, they are in a confused state of mind and lack of concentration. Industrious, they must be occupied in some work, otherwise, a physical complaint increase and aggravated when free or thinking of complaints. Disorientation of time and space and identity. Person has a disorientation of time, space, and identity, sometimes forget his own relatives. Aversion to company, they do not participate in any pleasurable events, anxious and excited, and become angry when upset. Obstinate, they are obstinate and develop obsessive compulsive neurosis. Nymphomania, their sexual desire is very high but low endurance. They have the lewd thoughts and lascivious mania and lymphomania. Drowsiness, they are drowsy with muttering and moaning constantly. Stupor, impulsive, they are violent, furious, and impulsive, and they go into mania. Egoistic, they have the self egoism and attention towards the pleasure seeking inputs. Fastidious, they are very neat and tidy. Indolence, indifference, and apathy are their main features. Violence and restlessness are the marked feature of acids. Characteristic physical symptoms: burning, extreme weakness, debility, and destruction, hemorrhage, ulcer, septicemia are predominantly seen at the level of physique. Burning of acid organs or the acidic organs, chest and urethra due to the irritation of nerves. Suddenness, symptoms appear and disappear suddenly. Loss of vital fluids, trembling, shivering, and debility after loss of vital fluid, diarrhea, vomiting, seminal emission, lactation, profuse sweating, etc. Debility marked at both mental and the physical level. Oversensitive to external stimuli, weakness with destruction of tissue, inorganic acids. Pseudomembrane, they have the tendency to form the pseudomembrane, so indicated in diphtheria. Weakness without destruction seen in organic acids. Deficiency, many of acids are useful in scurvy, particularly when it has arises from diet of salt food with deprivation of vegetables. Skin has sepsis, loss of hair and brittle nails. Tongue is thin, burning, cracked, ulcerated, blackish or brownish coated margin. Taste is sour and putrid. desire for alcohol, acidic food, citrus food, canned and indigestible food like chalk, pencil, mud, paint, eggs, meat, etc. Aversion to heavy food, pulses, sweets, oily, fatty food, cheese, icy cold things, ice creams. Common general modalities are aggravated from night, exertion, cold food and cold drink, loss of vital fluid, loss of sleep, mental tension, anxiety, worries, grief, touch, etc. Amelioration from rest, heat, short sleep, eating after, relief from discharges like profuse urination, etc. Thanks for watching the video. If you have found value in this video, then please do like, share and comment on my video and subscribe to my channel Dynamic Medicos.